beautiful tree. A tree is always a blessing, and it have multiple benefits. There is a lot of shade which is desperately needed during the summer season. It is a whole lot of oxygen producing factory. It is a source of beauty or a source of fruit as well. It is a beautiful platform for the people to sit and to have chit chat, plus keep viewing whatever is happening around them. Somehow a tree is always a beautiful thing. For that reason, to make our environment good enough, we need to plant as many trees as it is possible. We need to nurture our trees. We need to love it. Trees are always precious indeed. So for that reason, we need to love the trees. We need to plant as many trees as we can, because a tree is a source of beauty. So for that reason, something having multiple benefits, why to ignore it? Why not to work upon it? Why not to love it? If at all we are benefiting from the trees which were planted by the previous generation or previous to previous generation, it is our responsibility as well that we should plant a tree. I think every human being, every individual living in this country or any other country should not only plant a tree, should rather keep looking after the tree as well. As long as the tree is alive, as long as the human is alive. But if at all a tree becomes dead during the life of that particular person, it becomes incumbent upon each and every individual to plant another tree. Everybody below the age of 70 should be planting a tree. It should be, I think, a legislation. It should be a law. And cutting the tree should be a crime, because a tree is something very precious indeed. So it must be taken care of. The way we take care of our animals, the way we take care of our cattle, it is not any way lesser important than the cattle at all. It is even more important or equally important. So for that reason, to sustain the human life, to sustain the life of the cattle on the earth, I think the plants are very important, rather it is essential.